Hello everyone, my name is Nick Filonchik and today we are discussing the ninth principle of Agile Manifesto. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhance agility. In this video we'll explore the critical role of technical excellence and good design in fostering agility. We will touch the importance of quality, adaptability and sustained innovation. A well-designed system isn't just about aesthetics. It's about building a structure that can flex and adapt to changing requirements. Continuous attention to technical excellence enables us to make swift adjustments, ensuring our system remains agile in the face of evolving needs. As we navigate throughout the principles, we discover that sustained innovation is a natural outcome to continuous attention to technical excellence. Good design allows us to seamlessly integrate the new idea in our system. The iterative process of innovation is a hallmark of agile development that thrives on a foundation of technical excellence and good design. Let's now connect the dots between technical excellence, good design, and the foundational principles of Agile Manifesto. These principles are not standalone, they intersect, complementing each other to create a holistic approach to software development that aligns with the Agile Manifesto. Agile development is inherently iterative, and the same applies to design. Continuous improvement is not just a catchphrase, it's a mindset embedded in each sprint. With every cycle, we refine our technical excellence and elevate our design, contributing to the overall success of our agile endeavors. Principle number 9, by its nature, is a very technical one. So here's a list of books that I can recommend to read for you. Please read them and be sure that architects and tech leads of your team also have read them. Basically, this is the principle of Agile Manifesto that reminds that if we talk about Scrum Masters should understand how to develop software. In conclusion, the ninth Agile principle underscores the enduring importance of technical excellence and good design. This principle is just not a nice to have, it's a cornerstone of Agile success. Quality, adaptability, and sustained innovation flourish when we give continuous attention to technical excellence and good design. That wraps up our exploration of the ninth principle of the Agile Manifesto. I hope you found this discussion insightful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Agile insights, and I'll catch you in other videos. Bye bye!